You will be amazed by this 2022 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.